With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Given Sn2 plus E naught Sn2 plus 2 Sn, the value is given minus 0.14 volt. For the E naught for the lead, minus 0.13 volt. Determine the concentration of Sn2 plus upon Pb2 plus at equilibrium. For the cell reaction, now the cell reaction is given. Take 2.303 RT upon F equals to 0.06 volt. Now in this question, the key point is the equilibrium. So at equilibrium, we all know the E cell will be 0. E cell will be 0. So the E naught cell will be E cathode, E naught cathode minus E naught of anode. E naught of anode. Now here the value of E naught of cathode is given as minus 0.13 volt, and for anode it is given as minus 0.14 volt. When we solve this, we get the value 0.01 volt. Okay, this is the E naught of the cell. Now the cell reaction is given Sn to Sn2 plus. This is the salt bridge. So we write the cell reaction here. So first of all, we write the cell reaction here. Sn Sn plus Pb plus 2 Sn plus 2 Pb. This is the cell reaction, it is given. Okay, here we write it. Now E cell will be E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon n log Sn plus 2 concentration Sn plus 2 concentration of Sn plus 2 upon concentration of Pb plus 2. Actually this is the Nernst equation we have right here. This is the Nernst equation. This is the Nernst equation. Okay, so this is the E cell will be the E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon n is the number of electrons, and log the concentration of Sn2 positive upon concentration of Pb2 positive. Now here in the question it is saying that take this value 2.303 RT upon F is equals to 0.06 volt. So we convert this equation in this form. So this equation will become like this: E naught cell minus 2.303 RT upon NF, n is the number of electrons, log concentration of Sn2 positive upon concentration of Pb2 positive. Now here we can see we all know the E cell will be 0. E cell is the 0. So an E naught cell is given as 0.01. It is not given, actually we have calculated this. Here the value is given here the value we have calculated 0.01 volt. Okay, so and in this question it is saying that take 2.303 RT upon F is equals to 0.06 volt. 2.303 RT upon F is equals to 0.06. So let us place all the things here. 0.06 upon n, and the value of n will be n equals to 2, and the log Sn plus 2 upon Pb plus 2. So here we can take all here we place all the values here. The E cell will be 0 and E naught cell will be 0.01, and here the minus sign. 2.303 RT upon F, the value is given. We have to take 0.06 upon the value of n here, and the value of n is 2. Okay, because here we can see clearly the number of electrons. N is the number of n is the electrons. Here the 2 electrons we can place, and log Sn2 positive upon Pb2 positive. Now if we solve this equation here, or we can say we can take this on right hand side, so this value become upon 2 log Sn2 positive upon Pb2 positive. Pb2 positive. Okay, so let us solve this equation. When we solve this equation, we get log Sn2 positive upon Pb2 positive becomes 0.01 into 2 upon this value becomes 0.06. So when we solve this, we get 1 by 3, or we can say Sn plus 2 concentration of Sn2 positive upon concentration of Pb2 positive concentration of Pb2 positive, this is equals to anti-log of 1 by 3. So this will become 2.154, or we can say 2.1. This is our answer. So in this question it is asking the concentration of determine the concentration of Sn2 positive upon Pb2 positive at equilibrium. So the concentration we have calculated here, the value is 2, the answer is 2.154. Okay.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.